What's up, sports nerds? 2020 Bowman. Retail box. I just opened a mega box and was disappointed. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie about that. But I'm excited about this one. 2020 Bowman. 5 packs, 1 extra pack. Look for rare, retail exclusive green parallel cards. I can't wait to get all sorts of crazy crap in here. I did get a couple loose packs. I got my Witt Jr. first Bowman Chrome, Jason Dominguez first Bowman Chrome, my Robert rookie, the last one just because it's sitting on top here. I got the Nico Horner rookie. So I'm excited for this. I hope you are too. Let's get ripping. Again, 5 packs, 1 extra pack, 72 cards, all sorts of crazy stuff in here. Of course, I'm looking for parallels, rookies of these guys. There's a couple other ones in there. Oh, that's so nice. Here we go. Let's get ripping. Here we go, boys and girls. Bogarts. Acuna. Keno. That ain't too bad. Isaac Baderas. Mexico. Detroit Tigers. What else we got here? Got a bunch of this guy for some reason. There we go. Keone Cavaco, Twins, Chrome. Love me some Twins. Barrios, there we go, 2 in a row. Hoskins and the Judge. Pack number 2. Pack number 2. Yordan Alvarez. Rookie. Gavin Lux. Rookie. Look at that. Not too bad. Luis Garcia. Shortstop. What else we got? Tim Kate. No. Betts. Junior Fernandez. That was a good pack. That was a good pack. Pack number 3, here we go. Here we go. Yamamoto. Otani. Rookie favorites, Bo Bichette. Oh my goodness. That is a Deece insert right there. Super Deece indeed. Bo Bichette. Nice. Seth Beer. Jarren Duran. Montero. Denver. Gonsolin. Chang. Tim Anderson. Whoo, some good stuff out of this. Way better than that mega box, let me tell you. I got more boxes of this. I'll be doing more videos. I love me some Bowman. Look at this guy. Vladdy. Mr. Wander Franco. Look at that face. Walker Chrome, Dylan Carlson Chrome. Come on. 2 more packs. Let's get going, boys and girls. Let's get going. Dubon, rookie. Baez, rookie. Pacharski, first Bowman. Pena, first Bowman. This guy. Julio Rodriguez. Hunter Green. Yastrzemski. Adam Willie. Chris Bryant. Alright, last pack. No more joking around, boys and girls. Let's get serious. Huge hit in here. I can feel it. I can sense it, boys and girls. Stick with me. We got a Gratterall. He's no longer with the Twins. Look at this guy. Tristan Casas? Scout's Top 100, number 52. Tristan Robinson. Come on. Swaggerty. Ooh, you know what? Sean Murphy. Gratterall. He's going to be a beast. I wish the Twins kept him. But this guy, I think he's going to be a big deal for the Twins. 15th overall, but he's doing all right. He's not doing awesome. He's doing all right. I got faith in that guy right there. And there we go. And there we have it, boys and girls. You know what? It wasn't an amazing box. It was not amazing, but I got some good stuff in here, and I'm excited. And thank you for watching. I'm glad I was able to share it with you. Please like and subscribe. I got more boxes to come. I've got more Bowman Mega boxes. I've got more Bowman retail boxes. I'm trying to find. I did get some loose packs of Mosaic today. I don't know if I'm going to make a video on those. I'm trying to find more boxes of that. I'm waiting for my local card shop to open so I can get some other stuff. Thank you for watching. Bye.